In a typical product development cycle, designers, engineers, and suppliers work toward the same goal, but often operate completely out of sync. This creates daily bottlenecks. Teams lose hours chasing disjointed email chains, hunting for lost attachments, and managing a mix of incompatible software licenses. Sharing heavy 3D CAD files is a particular hurdle. Stakeholders often require expensive, specialized software installed locally just to view or measure the design. These traditional workflows trap valuable engineering data in fragmented silos, ultimately slowing the pace of development. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform addresses this by moving away from isolated software programs and toward job-specific roles. This setup ensures that when a user logs in, they only see the applications and tools relevant to their specific daily functions. The 3DSwymer role is the foundational requirement for this system. It acts as the default digital passport granted to every user. Because it is browser-based and cloud-connected, this role links all participants, from executives to external partners, regardless of their physical location. By assigning 3DSwymer to everyone, a company establishes a standardized community baseline that connects a fragmented workforce into a single network. To understand the toolkit, we must distinguish the names. 3DSwymer is the umbrella role, while 3DSwim is one specific application inside it. The 3DSwim app replaces email threads with centralized communities. These spaces are organized by project, keeping relevant conversations in one accessible location. Within these communities, the idea funnel allows teams to track new concepts as they mature from initial proposals to implemented actions. Access is managed through a strict governance system. Administrators set permission levels, owner, author, or contributor, to control who can post and modify content. This structure transforms unstructured daily chatter into searchable corporate knowledge, ensuring that the reasoning behind a decision is never lost. While 3DSwim handles the conversation, the 3DDrive application manages the actual project files. It is a secure, cloud-based storage system that syncs your local data directly to the platform. 3DDrive ensures that everyone is working from a single source of truth, removing the risk of team members using outdated versions found in old email attachments. To make that data useful for everyone, the role includes 3DPlay. This application allows non-engineers to view, pan, and measure heavy 3D CAD models directly in their browser. As this diagram shows, it bypasses the need for local CAD software installations. The combination of 3DDrive and 3DPlay democratizes engineering data, making it instantly accessible and actionable for every stakeholder in the process. To keep these tools organized, users use 3DDashboard. This is a central control panel where you can pin your most used applications. The dashboard provides a personalized view of the project, showing up-to-date community feeds and information the moment you log in. For early-stage brainstorming, the role includes 3D Sketch and 3D Whiteboard. These tools allow for rapid digital napkin sketches that can be shared instantly with the team. Finally, 3D Story allows users to take those 3D models and ideas and convert them into interactive presentation slides for reviews. These combined apps provide an unbroken pipeline that moves a project from the initial creative spark to a final presentation within a single interface. When these applications are deployed across a company, every employee, supplier, and partner begins operating within a shared digital environment. This setup removes the friction caused by disjointed communications and incompatible file types, allowing teams to focus on the work itself. 3DSwymer is also designed to be a foundational layer. It provides the base services required to support more advanced, specialized roles later on. For instance, a company can stack the Collaborative Industry Innovator role on top of 3DSwymer to unlock deep data lifecycle management and advanced revision controls. Ultimately, the 3DSwymer role provides the essential connective tissue for an organization. By standardizing how teams share data and track progress, it ensures that every stakeholder remains aligned throughout the development process.